So hi guys, welcome to our video on cell styles in Microsoft Excel. Very much like Microsoft Word, Excel also makes use of styles to determine formatting. So for example, if you are on a cell and you had a value within that cell, what you'd normally have on the Home tab on the Styles Gallery drop down are a bunch of preset styles. Notice the custom ones that are here already. Now, for example, to apply a cell style, it's simply a case of that cell being selected and applying the appropriate cell style. You'll notice how that format is applied automatically. Now, not only can you customize the existing default cell styles, but you can also create your own. Let's start off just by showing you how to customize an existing cell style. So for example, if we have the cell style called total, if we were to right mouse click on that cell style and choose modify, from within here we could apply various options such as numeric formatting, alignment formatting, font, border, fill and protection formatting. But in this case, what we'll do is we'll just go straight to the format button. Now what we could do here is notice it's the borders that are currently in effect. So if we wanted a thick line for the bottom border and a thick line for the top border, and for the font, let's say we wanted that to be Calibri, size 12 with a color of red, we could click OK, and notice now when we go to apply that cell style, that's how it formats the cell. So it's very simple and easy to do to begin with. So having done that, let's look at how to create one from scratch. Well, for the most part from scratch. So I've navigated over to a cell where I've already got a little bit of formatting done, which is quite often the easiest way to start creating a cell style. Now, with that cell selected, if we hit the drop arrow in the Styles Gallery and we go to New Cell Style. So from within here we could give this a name. So let's just call this heading title, and then what we'll look to do is hit the Format button. So with the font already applied, being bold and also being size 10, we'll set the color to be, under more colors, a specific shade of color. In this case we're choosing white. Now having done that, what we might then want to do is navigate to the Fill tab, and we could look to apply a specific background color. So we're going to go into more colors and we're going to choose black. Right. Now on the Alignment tab, what we might want to do here is change the horizontal alignment from center to right. Now having done that, when we're ready, we look to click OK, and we look to click OK. So what you'll now notice is we have a style called heading title. So the idea here being, if I was to select these cells over here, and I'm just holding control as I do this, navigating to the cell styles more gallery drop down, clicking on heading title, notice how we've got those styles applied to those cells automatically. So in this example, let's say I've got a cell that's already formatted a certain way, say this shaded darker, slightly darker shade of blue. Now applied to the cell already, I'll just point out there is some custom number formatting already applied. There is cell colors and font colors as well as alignments. Now navigating to the gallery drop down for cell styles, and again going New Cell Style. Now because we started on a cell that had the format already applied to it, we could go to the Format button and customize it a bit further, but all that's really left for us to do in this particular instance is give it a title. So let's call this subtotal, and then we'll click OK. So again, noticing from the Styles Gallery drop down, we have a style called subtotal. Now what I would look to do here is, if we were to select, say again, these cells over here and simply applying the subtotal style, you'll notice how it applies that exact same format to those cells already. So quite often it's easier just to have a starting point for your formats already applied and then simply name that. So in one more example over here, we'll take, say, this cell over here, which already again has some of its formatting already determined, and again, Styles Gallery drop down, New Cell Style. Let's call this mini subtotal. But let's say what we'll do to this is we'll hit the Format button and we'll basically just look to maybe bold and then hit OK. Righto, so when you're ready, we click OK again. Now selecting these cells over here, and then once again applying our cell style called mini subtotal, the format should be applied. Now you'll notice in this particular instance how the cell that I did start off on had a border sitting on its top edge. So this is what's happened to these cells over here. So one of the great advantages to using the styles is where the styles are already applied. If we were to right click the mini subtotal style and then choose modify, and then going back to format, going to border, notice that we can actually customize the style at this point. So let's say we just wanted left and right borders, and then hitting OK and hitting OK, you'll notice how that automatically applies the changes to the cells that already have that format. So guys, cell styles are a great option for formatting content in Microsoft Excel, and yeah, quite often overlooked and underused. Thanks for your time, taking your time to watch this video, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and yeah guys, thanks again. We look forward to hearing from you in the future. Cheers for now. Bye.